There's a few things you want to remember when you're asked to solve and graph inequalities with only one variable meaning one letter. It might show up in more than one time in the inequality statement, but there's only one letter. That's the difference here. Okay, first thing to keep in mind is that you're going to solve it as if there was an equal sign. Use your solving techniques where you do the same thing to both sides. Whatever you're doing to one expression or one side of the inequality sign, you have to do the exact same thing to the other. Whether it's adding something or dividing by something or whatever, it has to be the same. The next thing is that if you're graphing on a number line, you're going to want to use open circles and closed circles. Open circle is every time your inequality statement had one of these signs, greater than or less than. You're going to use a closed circle if it's greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. There's one other trick that we're going to get to when it comes to multiplying or dividing with inequalities, and that's sometimes you need to change the direction of the inequality. I'm just going to say this now, and this may or may not make sense to you where you are in your math class, but here's what it is. If ever when you're solving, you multiply or divide by a negative number with an inequality, the inequality is going to change direction. And you'll see a lot of that when it comes to doing some examples.